SB19's full speech at Honor of Kings International Championship 2025 halftime show. For the first time, SB19 has performed Honor of Kings Burn the Flame live na live at the Honor of Kings International Championship 2025 halftime show.
What is up, KIC? KIC, make some noise! Make some noise! Kumusta yung performance namin? Sabi nila H-okay daw. H-okay. 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 Pero bago kami magsimula ulit, gusto lang namin magpakilala. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ang mga pala si Pablo. Hi everyone, my name is Stel.
Hi everyone, I'm Justin. Hello everyone, I'm Josh. Hello everyone, I'm Ken.
Of course, we are SB19! Ayala, 18. Kamusta naman yung first performance namin ng Burn the Flame? Parang medyo mahina. Kamusta yung performance namin?
For sure, nagustuhan nila yan.
Salamat, salamat.
Tsaka, grabe. Parang naka-million streams agad to.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Alam ko, ano ba siya eh? Yung sales worldwide na top niya.
Oo.
Pang-pito ba yun? Pang-4? Pang-4.
Hindi ko na maalala, pero...
Pero maraming salamat sa suporta niyo sa SB19, sa kanta, and syempre sa HOK. Para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Burn the Flame po is the official soundtrack of Honor of Kings. So sana po nagustuhan niyo yung performance.
Yes. Sayang, di ka sumali, pre. Dapat sumali ka. Sana nakaabot tayo sa finals, di ba?
Sayang eh.
Pero we just want to congratulate everyone, of course, for the finalists. And sa lahat ng lumahok dito sa country natin, sa home country. Balita ko, hindi syempre nakapasok ang home country. But next time, alam naman natin, palag-palag yan. But we're very thankful. We just want to, syempre, take this opportunity to, of course, promote our upcoming tour. It's gonna be this week na. We're gonna be going to Australia. That's gonna be on December 5 at Melbourne Town Hall. And so December 6, Sydney at Northwest Convention Center. December 12, Auckland, the Trust Arena. December 14 at Red Hill Auditorium.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And the tickets are available at humanitix.com for Melbourne, Sydney, and Auckland. And also visit mushtix.com for Perth. So yeah, I hope you can get your tickets.
May gusto lang yung tanong, napakinggan nyo na ba yung The First Take performances namin? Napanood nyo na yung Dam? How about Time? Oh, na-enjoy nyo ba yung performance namin sa The First Take? Yeah, and to those na hindi pa napapanood yung performances namin sa The First Take, you can listen to our performance sa TFT YouTube channel. And kung yung mga friends nyo hindi pa napapanood, send nyo sa kanila yung link para mapanood nila. Yes, that's right.
And of course, gusto ko po naman pasalamat sa lahat ng nakinig ng Burn the Flame. And syempre, nakasali siya sa Billboard World Digital Sales, kaya maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. 18, especially sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat. And of course, gusto niyo pa ba na isa?
Of course.
I say you guys want more! Let's go for our next song. This one's called Dunka. Let's go! Yeah!
Woo! Grabe naman yung energy nyo dito.
Yes.
Thank you so much, W3. Thank you.
We're just very thankful. It's such a wonderful opportunity. Nako, batay tayo dyan. just so you know, dalawa lang po ang prepared namin. Gusto niyo pa ba?
Gusto niyo pa ba?
You guys are gonna get us tired, huh?
Pero, we just have one request. One request. Pag mag-iisa pa kami, pwede bang sumayaw ang lahat?
Well,
Pero, but, no pushing. Wala pang magtutulakan. We want everyone to enjoy the moment, especially people on the second floor, third, fourth, fifth. Wala pang magtutulakan, okay? 18, is that okay?
everyone's okay to dance and enjoy as long as no one gets hurt, okay? Safety first, okay? Pero we want your energy to go up, okay? Okay, let's try. Do you want more? Mahina pa, yung pinakamalakas. Gusto niyo pa ba ng isa?
Pero, bago tayo umisa, syempre, we want to thank all the people who's here today. And, syempre, of course, thank you, Honor of Kings, and good luck to Homeboys and Nova sa championship.
Yes,
maraming salamat
congratulations.
po for having us here. HOK family, thank you so much. We are very happy to spend the day with 18. Masaya ba kayo nakasama kami? Parang di kayo masaya. Masaya ba? Yun pala eh.
And
Lahat
you-
ba ng tao dito nag-HOK na? Sigurado kayo?
1v1 daw kayo ni Pao.
1v1, oh.
Okay.
Hindi, sige. Oh, kasi madalas nag-stream kami tapos naglalaro kami online. Kung sino yung magkataon makalaro sana namin, laro tayo ng HOK. Parang di naman naglalaro yung mga tao dito.
Hindi.
O
Hindi ka nila
natatakot
ata
mo?
naririnig.
Marami naglalaro dyan. Nakakalaro ko yung mga yan. Dinudurog ko lahat yan eh. Hindi, pero no joke. I'm really thankful. It's a great opportunity for us kasi personally, I'm a gamer. So it's one of my dreams to sing for this event. And syempre, nare-represent natin ang Filipino talent, di ba? But, di na natin patatagalin ba? Do you want more? Lahat kakanta! Lahat sisigaw! You're not just gonna stare there and do nothing and put your phones up. You all are gonna enjoy, okay? Let's do it one more time!
Right, let's get it.
Let's go!
Thank you.
Muli, nagpapasalamat kami sa HOK. Sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa HOK. 18 and everyone who's in here. Muli, ako po si Pablo.
Ako po si Justin.
Ako po si Stel!
Ako po si Josh.
At ako si Ken.
Kami ang
SB19!